Hello and welcome to my course, Creative Writing Skills for Beginners 1, Grammar and Syntax. My name is Brian Jackson. I'm the author of a handful of books, publisher of well over 100, and educator with 45 Udemy courses to my name. In this course, you'll learn the 5 fundamental writing skills, namely, words and spaces, correct word spacing, capitalization, hyphenation, italicization, and synonyms. Punctuation, a simplified reduced punctuation set that will allow you to write anything. Sentences, organizing your words into complete thoughts. Paragraphs, provide structure to your document and aid in reading. Dialogue, primarily used in fiction. Learn how to write what people say. This course is divided into sections addressing each of these 5 topics. Each section is further divided into lectures as follows. An introduction lecture, a video much like this one introducing the section material. The lecture, the core training module of this section, presented using PowerPoint slides. Demonstration, a writing demonstration conducted in Microsoft Word 2016 while you watch. A quiz, a Udemy quiz to test your fundamental knowledge of the topics. Project, textual instructions for submitting a writing project to the Q&A section of this course. And finally, conclusion, a video summary of the topics covered in this section. This course uses Windows 2010 to demonstrate writing using Microsoft Word 2016. This course includes content appropriate for those looking to brush up their writing skills in a hurry, those for whom English is a second language, and don't forget the 30-day no questions asked money-back guarantee. I suppose that makes your decision a no-brainer. Become a better writer today by enrolling now. This has been Brian Jackson, and I'll see you in the classroom.